Okay, check this out. Stick figure channels are getting millions of views and making thousands per month with animations that take like 30 minutes to create. In the next minutes, I'm going to show you the exact process so you can post your first video today. No experience needed. Let's go. First of all, we have to pick a niche. It could be almost anything, like a finance or a motivation one. For this video, we're going to create a little short about motivation. So first of all, we move to ChatGPT. We can use a prompt like this. This specific one is going to be on the description, but you can be more specific if you like, and as you move on. Let's see. So this is our story. We check it if you like it. After that, we copy the voiceover that we have created. Enter ElevenLabs, sign in or log in. You can sign in with Google account, and then from here we go to text-to-speech. Remember that ElevenLabs gives for us 10,000 free credits each month. This is enough for you to start. So here we paste our voiceover. Now we're going to listen to some voices.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
I'm going to choose Bill. Let's see.
Every day is a chance, a blank page waiting for your story. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Step forward, even if it's small, even if it feels uncertain.
That's pretty nice and natural, actually. Let's download it. Now what we do is move on Canva. We press Create, YouTube Shorts. Very nice. Now we have to upload our voiceover. Upload files. Very nice. Okay. So now we go to Elements and try to find a background. Something like brown paper background. Let's see the graphics. We can choose this one. We fill up the place. And now is the fun part. First of all, we listen the audio.
Every day is a chance.
So now we try to fit what we heard. We search on Elements again for stick figure. This gives us something like that. We can use a sun. The sun can be appear a little bit later.
Every day is a chance.
So now here we can use split to change the images. We can split the audio too. We do the same for the next scene. We delete the previous scene.
A blank page waiting for your story.
This is beautiful.
Every day is a chance. A blank page waiting for your story.
Very nice. Let's move on. For now, we're going to use these two scenes just to demonstrate. What I like to do is delete the voiceover because I want to add it on CapCut for best results and download our scenes. Then we move on CapCut. We press Create a project. So let's see now.
Every day is a chance. A blank page waiting for your story.
And just like that, we have our video. And that's it. You just learned the complete system that channels are using to get millions of views using simple stick figures. And if you want to go even deeper, I have something for you. I'm giving away 2 free guides that you can download from the same source. The one is about 5 ways to make money online, and the second one with powerful websites and tools. Both completely free. You will get the link in the description. Now, if you found value to this video, subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'm done. Thank you very much. And remember, the most important thing is to get started.